There is one module called SEO Checklist, which I highly recommend you to take a look at and also use it in case you're planning to launch your Drupal site and you're basically looking for a module that will make your site really good when it comes to search engine optimization. Now, this particular module, SEO Checklist, is basically a module that will give you list of all the modules that you can potentially install to have a site with all the great features so that it can be easily found on the internet. Now, of course, there are different modules that you need to install. This module will not do anything apart from giving you some suggestions, and as the name suggests, it is a module that will give you a checklist. So what you need to do, you need to basically install this module, and then you will be presented with the option to basically do few things. You don't have to, but you don't have to do each and everything, but it is always good to do uh, at least 50% of them so that you have a Drupal site with different modules that you can configure. There are some modules like meta tag, for example, which I highly recommend. You need to install meta tag module because it will let you insert the right keywords that you can also configure to work with your vocabulary. So let us say if I'm writing a blog post with some topics or tags. Now what this module, meta tag module, will do, it will pick up the keywords or those tags, and it will basically update the meta keywords for you automatically. And you can do that for each and every content type, or you can define this for all of your site's content. So this is of course just one example. There are other modules that you can install and you can configure, and SC checklist module will basically give you a list, and once you install this module, it will be just a matter of installing those modules and configuring them. And as I mentioned before, you don't have to install each and every module suggested by SEO checklist, but even if you can manage like 50%, I think that is a really good start. So this is all I want to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.